Hi everyone, Lisa and Jessica from the Balance team in Prescott, Arizona. Today we attended a septic class and learned a whole bunch about the different types of septic systems, maintenance, permitting for septics, and so we just wanted to share some of that with you.
When you're moving from a city or a suburb out to a little piece of land, there are many things you dream of. Perhaps you want to live on a homestead, or just you need more peace and quiet. Maybe you're thinking of all the stars you'll see at night, or all the neighbors you won't have to deal with.
Whatever you're dreaming about when you're looking for a home in a more rural area, chances are those dreams don't include buying a house with a septic tank. So let's discuss the pros and cons of this type of sewage system and some considerations you should make before going ahead with the purchase. What is a septic tank? Most of us are particular about the care and maintenance of our vehicles. Oil and filter changes plus other periodic inspections help protect the investment. An on-site wastewater treatment system represents a significant part of the investment in your property, and it is the most overlooked and undervalued utility. A septic system, or an on-site wastewater treatment system, as it is referred to in Arizona, is basically a small waste management system in your yard. It treats sewage and wastewater from rural homes. Otherwise, the water would have to go to your municipality's treatment plant, and if you're in areas of town that are not connected to city utilities, a septic system is your option. Every time you flush the toilet, the sewage makes its way to your septic tank. There, the solids sink to the bottom and the liquids drain out. The solid waste disintegrates over time. The septic tank separates the waste into 3 layers: scum at the top, wastewater in the middle, sludge on the bottom. Bacteria break down the scum and sludge over time, and the wastewater drains through the outlet pipes to get back into the soil. The short answer gave a brief overview of what a septic tank does, but there's more to it than that. They aren't just connected to toilets, which produce black water. Septic tanks also handle gray water from washing machines, bathtubs, and sinks. We're happy to provide you with the report entitled Homeowner's Manual Septic Systems 101, which provides a general overview of septic systems, the types of systems there are, and some basic septic system terms, filter and drain field information, tank, pumping, and inspection information, what not to flush, and septic systems do's and don'ts. Shoot an email to one of the addresses listed in the comments below, and we'll get that right over to you. To search for your home in the Prescott area, go to findprescotthouses.com or buyprescottarizona.com. Want to know what your house is worth? Go to findprescotthousevalues.com and click on Thinking of Selling to get your free home evaluation. Thanks for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.